itself says, the leopard that died of shame. And this is in one of the officers' messes of a unit, where you have a leopard which is mounted on the wall, and there is a gold plaque under it, which says, the leopard that died of shame. Now, when you hear a narrative like that, I mean, how can you pass that trophy without hearing the whole story? So the story goes something like this, that in 71 Ops, this unit was posted towards the eastern sector, where now Bangladesh is a country, and they were involved in that operations. Those days, even now, sometimes in some of the good units, the drinking sessions continue till late night, till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. In good units, अगर खाना 3-4 बार घर में नहीं होता है, तो it's not considered to be a good unit. Because CEO will say, खाना लगाओ. First couple of times, the mess havildar will not heat up the food because he knows that this boozing session. So we have something in common with the ad world that way. So finally, it's 2 o'clock in the night, and I want you to visualize this. It's a very misty location. Visibility is very low. It's in the middle of a jungle. The officers have left the mess, and now the cook and the masalchi, they are cleaning the utensils, and they are in a sort of a completely dense forest area. And there are a lot of these stray dogs which are fighting for scraps of food. So this masalchi, who is cleaning this patilas and all of that, while he's cleaning it, he's tossing these pieces of food, and the dogs are fighting on it, and they are biting each other and all of that. And during that time, one of the dogs comes especially close to this masalchi and keeps trying to snatch food from that handi. And this masalchi gets so irritated as it is सुबह का उठा हुआ, breakfast, lunch, dinner, रात का 1 बज गया. I mean, he's in a very, very irritated mood. So he takes that serving ladle, that long, I don't know what you call it in Hindi, but he takes that ladle and gives one whack to this dog, and there's a yelping sound. And next day in the morning, they find a 8-foot leopard lying dead there. So that leopard was mounted and kept in this mess. Ki look at this leopard who died of shame, ki main kahan jungle ka raja, mere ko ek masalchi ne mar diya. Now this unit, their spirit comes from a story which says, हमारी पलटन का तो मसालची शेर मार देता है, तुम किस खेत की मूली हो? Who are you messing with? Now that's how you build a narrative to an organization.